So based on the input type, we are going to invoke this dialog. So here what I'm going to do, here I'm adding the new condition, create a condition. This time I'm going to select the switch branch. Okay, so why I need to switch branch? If else, there are two conditions there, if else and switch conditions. Why I select the switch condition? Because now we are going to check multiple items, uh, text, number, confirmation, or maybe some other input it will come, we are going to add. So it's a best practice, use a switch condition. So we clearly check the condition in one place based on the case. For example, if I select the text and the text case will execute, number case execute. If else means we have to add more conditions. So that's the reason I'm choosing this switch branch, switch condition. Click this one. Here you see the condition added here and the default places here. I just close this one. I select this branches. Here you have to add the condition. Okay, what is the condition? So we are storing the choices in the user.choice property. So we have to select like this user.choices. First case, if it is text. Once you added the text, you see automatically the case is added here. Next one is a number. So next case is added here. This is the default one. Okay. At the moment, we need only the two cases. So I added here the text and number. Next, if user pressed the text case, we have to invoke the text box, text input. For that, you can just click this add icon again and go to the dialog management, begin dialog. The begin dialog, you select the option which dialog you want to invoke. So in this case, I need the text input, so I selected this one, text input. Next, the same thing for the number dialogs, sorry, number input also. So begin dialog, this time I will select the number input. That's it. Default case, maybe we just give the information we are uh, we are working on it. We are working on it. Other inputs we will add soon. We will add soon. Okay. Just for the default case, I put this message. Now restart the bot. On web chat, restart the conversation. Please select the input type. Now I'll select the text input. Here you see. So hey, my name is input bot. Let me know your name. So if you go this text input, you can see this information. So we are prompting to the user. This bot, this name is input bot. Please let me know your name. So based on that, based on the choice, the text input uh, based on the choice, the corresponding input will get invoked. So like for example, I would say learn Microsoft AI. Yes, that's it. So seems to be working fine. The next step, you see here. So once it's done, the text input get processed. We have to invoke to the again this option to the user. Okay. So first they processed text input. Now if they want to check the other input, so we have to invoke. How to do that? That also we'll see now. I'll go back to greetings tab. First I'll select this. This is not required anymore as. Okay, let it be fine. So I will select the where get started here. So this one and this one and branches including cases. I copied and move to separate dialog. we call the switch dialog. So it's moved and greetings tag invoke switch dialog. Fine. Next, go to switch dialog. We select end dialog here. So begin dialog, text input. We go here, prompt for text. First, we should add the here we delete, or maybe we'll see. Go to dialog management, end this dialog. So go back to here switch dialog. Here we'll add dialog management. Repeat this dialog. Restart. Open in web chat. Yeah, so I click text, learn Microsoft AI. Yes. You see here, again, it's going. So it's come inside here. Actually, what happened, this text dialog, text input, processing in this dialog. So here, switch dialog, what will happen, the text input get executed. It's coming here, repeat this dialog. It will go here, it will see user.choice already selected because we not delete this memory. Once if we delete this memory only, this step will execute. Otherwise, it will go to the until where this choice is matches until it will go there. So before repeat this dialog, I have to delete that memory, delete a property. In this one, we add, can easily choose user.choice. That's it. And one more I noticed here, the text. So if you go to input dialog, here we have to delete the user.name also, so that if user select the text again, it will process. Otherwise, it will directly will come here, the text input user.name already filled, and again this problem it will come. Or we changed one thing, instead of user.name, we'll change dialog.name. Dialog.name. So once the end dialog is called, automatically the property automatically get deleted. So user.dialog.name, and here we are not using anything. Fine. This also we just change to dialog.name. Yeah, it's clear. Now restart the bot. Open web chat, restart the conversation, text. I selected text and I selected AI. Are you sure you want to process? Yes. Specified method is not supported, so seems to be some issue. We'll see what is it. So specified method is not supported. Okay. Look like this text input is fine because until here it's coming, we are displaying proper result. I selected AI, so the result is displaying here properly. So here is not an issue. Look like issue in the switch dialog. We go to the switch dialog and we'll see the problem. Actually, it's occur before this end dialog. Okay, yeah, see here this is a problem. Equal to user.choice. No, it should be user.choice. I just delete this one. Restart the bot. Open in web chat, restart the conversation. Text name is AI. Are you sure want to process? Yes. See, it's displayed the proper result. and repeat this dialog automatically. It's going here, and it should again it's asking the questions choices user data. Please select the input type. If this time we select the number, that number prompt will get executed. The same thing we implemented the number also. You just go to the number input dialog and user.mobile. Instead of that user.mobile, I changed to dialog.mobile. Dialog property. Then once the dialog get over, in this dialog happened, the event has fired, then automatically all the property will get deleted. So best, if really required, you can use the user memory. Otherwise, better use in the dialog based properties only. So user.mobile I changed to here dialog.mobile. Same thing, I have to change it here also, I think, because here I already using user.mobile. Instead of that, I use dialog.mobile. Here also should change it dialog.mobile. So see here, we are deleting it. Okay, so this is anymore not required. I delete this one. I restart the conversation bot. This time number, please enter the number 0. Should correct yes. Again the switch dialog is pop up.